Hello, I am Danya Metzger, and this is 100 vocal exercises for embodied expressive singing. It is day 82, and this week is all exercises to get your voice gently back to singing. So today we are going to do an SOVT type of exercise, semi-occluded vocal tract, using the V sound. So first we'll start by moving our hands and making that V sound, integrating them together. So I'd like you to make fists and turn your fists around like this. And then somewhere in your mid-range go. Now let's make that circle with the hands and the arms a little bit bigger and make the range movement a little bigger in the voice. Now let's integrate the shoulders so they're going way up and back. We're getting some mobility in both the front body and the back ribs here, making more space for breath. And we'll go further into the range with the voice. Now you may notice that your arms feel like you're rowing a boat. So let's use row, row, row your boat with the V sound and row the boat, moving all of this stuff through our joints. So let's start here. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.